Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or a day of your choice. Today, I have a big, fragile box from Beauty Creations, and it is a mystery box. It is a $45 mystery box. And then, of course, there was sales tax. I don't believe there was any shipping. And this was the big box. There was a little box. They had several different mystery boxes. Ooh, there's tape on the other part too. Anyway, so my friend Candy Sass, you guys know she's my BFF, and she got a mystery box, and I was like, I want a mystery box too, because I always have that FOMO, fear of missing out, girl. Oh, look how beautiful it is on the inside. That is gorgeous. I love that. And there's lots of, oh, there's a shirt. Probably is not gonna fit me, girl. They did not ask me a shirt size. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. And it is a Beauty Creation shirt, and I will probably put this in a giveaway, and it's a breast cancer awareness shirt. Very nice, and it is in the size medium. So that's really nice that they gave you a shirt. Once again, it's gonna go in a giveaway. But there's a ton of stuff in here, and let's get to it. Let's party. There's lots of glitter. There's all kinds of stuff in here. First off, there is a beauty sponge, and I love the color because it's green, and it's got a nice slant to it, so that's nice. Let me stack that over here. I don't have a whole lot of room on my table. There is a Beauty Creations banana setting powder. It's a little too yellow for me, but a lot of people love banana setting powders, so that will definitely be going in a giveaway. And let's see. I got this, and it is a set of 4 glitters and the glitter primer. I'm not going to take this out of the bag. So those are very beautiful. I'll use most of those, and then I can give one away. And you always need new glitter glue. Oh, and then this is a silicone brush, and I know that it's used for something, and I just can't remember what right now. But a nice little silicone patty brush. Then we've got Beauty Creations mink lashes, and those are some nice dramatic lashes, very pretty. Then we've got the mini brow kit from, oh, the box fell over. The mini brow kit from Beauty Creations. I'm pretty set on my brow kit ways. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. And it is in a nice tin. And I really need to say, I love Beauty Creations eyeshadows. They're fantastic. I have lots of Beauty Creations. Look, it's got a little tweezer. It's got a little angled brush. It's got a little spoolie in there. And I could totally use that. And you know, I'm going to give it a go because sometimes I don't want such a definition little line. It looks a little patchy. But anyway, that's cool. So I will check that out. Then we have 2 more things in here. We have the Esmeralda 2 by Beauty Creations, and it is an eyeshadow palette. I think I've had this before. Ooh, it's so pretty. I don't know if I've had it before or not, but I will be giving it a go. It'll go in my pile of palettes to be used. It's beautiful. I'm not going to swatch it just yet, just in case I change my mind. But I'm loving that plum and that kind of wine and that wine color. This is beautiful. It's a perfect palette for transition from winter to fall. That's gorgioso. So I'm putting that in my palette stack. I have a whole stack of palettes that I haven't used yet. I'm totally keeping that in for my collection. And then last but not least, we have the Annette 69 Beauty Creations Lip Trio. And this is what that looks like. I know I might be able to use that color, but most of these colors are too pale for me, and there's like a gold lip gloss. But this will, because I'm so fair that if I would use a real pale color, I have a smudge on my lip this whole time. Oh Lord, I had a medical procedure today, and I'm a little loopy. So, but anyway, this will be a great thing to put in a giveaway. It's like the main thing. So this is great. So we got a brow kit, a mini collection of lip things, and we got an eyeshadow palette. We got lashes. We got glitters and a glitter glue. We got a beauty blender, and we got banana powder, and we got a silicone brush. And I think that's really a good deal. The palette alone is probably like 15-20 bucks. And I know this Net 69 lip kit is not very, it's reasonably priced, but not super cheap. And then I'm gonna totally get into this brow kit. So in this palette. So overall, really great. I'm really pleased with it. I love Beauty Creations. They have fantastic formulas, and you should definitely give them a try. And I think that this is a great mystery box for $45. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.